What's up, UrVoyz Community, and welcome to another video. Today we're reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for checking out another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down at the bottom, and also please go ahead and share your thoughts, any comments down below on what you think of the Note 9. Now, I'm just going to go over some really quick things I liked and quick things I didn't like about the Note 9 itself, and give you my overall verdict on the device. Now, the Note 9 is Samsung's newest flagship device. It was shipped recently. I've been using it now probably for about a week and a half, and I can tell you right off the bat that this is a fantastic phone. I am a big Note user. I've been using Notes pretty much since the inception of them, and I've switched back and forth before, and I've always ended up right back at the Note. It's probably my favorite device overall. The Note screen for the 9 is about 6.4 inch. It's a super AMOLED screen. It really pops. It's extremely vibrant. It gives you all the color detail that you're going to need when you're watching YouTube videos, viewing your pictures, or viewing videos that you've taken from the phone itself. Samsung knows how to do screens. They've always known how to do screens well, and this phone is definitely no exception at all. It probably has one of the best, if not the best, screens I've ever seen on a smartphone. The performance of the phone itself also is really fantastic. It has a Snapdragon 845 processor, and it's about 6 gigs of RAM in the one that I have. There is an 8 gig of RAM version, but that one's even more expensive than this expensive one here. And for a smartphone, it actually performs really well, especially when you're gaming. This one is especially made for Fortnite. They said for any Fortnite users out there, the Note is supposed to be the phone that can handle it the best. I haven't seen any hiccups in my day-to-day performance with the Note, opening apps, closing apps, viewing YouTube video, multitasking. It handles all of those things extremely well without any burden on the user, which is myself. It kind of just does it seamlessly. It doesn't give me any problems, and that's always a benefit. The design of the phone is basically the same kind of design you saw on the Note 8. If you have a Note 8, the Note 9 just adds a little bit more squareness to it, if you can believe that or not. It's a little heavier, which for me anyway makes it feel a little bit more premium. They did relocate the fingerprint scanner because that was something that a lot of people had a problem with the previous Note. They didn't like the placement of the fingerprint scanner. It was placed a little bit too close to the camera for some people's liking, so they actually moved it down a little bit to make it a little bit more accessible. It's still a really large phone. If you have small hands, you're still probably going to have a little bit of difficulties reaching the fingerprint scanner, but they do have an IntelliScan that scans your eyes and your face, and it's almost like the face unlock that iPhone has, and it actually works pretty well in low light and in regular light as well. The S Pen has been upgraded, so the S Pen now has Bluetooth capabilities, which means that you can actually do things with the S Pen now that you weren't able to do before. So you can actually pair it to different applications, like your camera, like your music apps, and it actually works in tandem with those apps as a remote, kind of. And I think Samsung really did this because a lot of people saw the S Pen as more of a novelty than a piece of device that they wanted to use, so they wanted to add a little bit more usability to it. I still find that I use the S Pen more for S Pen functions like writing down notes and things of that nature, but if an app can find a sweet spot between using the S Pen as a remote, definitely, I think I would definitely take advantage of it. Now, the battery is a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. I've had really good battery experience with this. I'm a heavy user. I usually come home with about 30 to 40% of my battery, so I'm not really running home for a charge or looking for a charge during the day, so that actually works out perfectly for me. The price is probably the one thing I don't like about this phone. Is $1,000. Does give you quite a bit, but that is really expensive for a cell phone, and the price just keeps getting higher and higher. I really would like Samsung to kind of try to bring that price point down a little bit to make the Note more accessible to the average user instead of the power users. The verdict on this phone is that it wraps everything into a package, and it wraps it really well. It has the speed, it has the performance, it has the design, it has the battery. Can definitely recommend it if you're a Note user, you're looking to update from an older Note, or or even the Note 8 and you want the best phone that's on the market right now, that's definitely going to be the Note 9. If you're an Android user looking to upgrade to the best phone on the market right now, that's going to be the Note 9. So I would definitely recommend this phone. I really enjoy using it, and I think it's a premium device that works extremely well. Now I want to thank you guys so much for checking out our review. Now if you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We definitely would appreciate it. And until next time, guys, peace out.